Hey guys, Miss Wallace here. I want to talk to you a little bit about electromagnets today. So this is a type of electricity. That's why we have the electro part of the word. But then we also have magnets because we're actually creating a temporary magnet. The nice thing about electromagnets, we can turn them on and off, and we can also reverse their direction. So what I've drawn for you here is an example of an electromagnet. Here we have a battery. We see the negative and the positive terminal. We have a copper wire, and I have wrapped that around an iron nail. Now, two different pictures because I'm trying to demonstrate to you the strength of your electromagnet. So you see here in the first picture, the coils of copper wire around the iron nail are pretty close together. This is going to make a strong electromagnet. That's why it's attracted 4 paper clips versus a weak electromagnet. If you don't put as many coils of your copper wire or you have them spaced way apart, this is going to be considered a weak electromagnet. And so maybe it only attracts 1 paper clip. Now, where might you find an electromagnet in life? Sometimes doorbells work through electromagnetism. Also, if you go to a junkyard, they usually have a big crane with an electromagnet hanging off the end. And what they use that for is when they need to move large pieces of metal, they can activate the electromagnet by allowing the electrical energy to run through the coils. It creates a magnet here at the bottom. And then they can pick up big pieces of metal. They move it over to the conveyor belts, maybe to go into the machine that's going to crush it. And then they can deactivate the magnet by turning off the electricity. The big hunk of metal would just fall on the conveyor belt. So electromagnets are very useful in life. I just wanted to make sure you had an understanding of how to create these and the differences between a strong and weak magnet.